Hello everyone, so this is a demo of the OpenCDC changes for the Kafka Connect wrapper. We'll build a test pipeline where we have a source table called customers, and then we'll be streaming the data to a table called customers destination. Here's really quick how it looks like. So here's the customers table. The customers destination table is empty. I'll create the pipeline in a second. So I'm doing that through Golang. Okay, so the pipeline should be running. Now I'll check the customer's destination table again. So here we have the changes. Now I'll insert a new record. Let's say here 6. I'll now check the customer's destination table. So here we have it. Now I'll update one of those records. So let's say from Bosnia Harris working at Roxa. Let's do that. Here we have the change. So that was an update, and now we'll do a delete. Let's say we delete this one. Here is 2. Here it is, gone. That would be all. Thank you everyone.